designs. I just wanted to come on here and share with you some items that I received from Jesse James Beads this month. This is for the Design Ambassador program that Jesse James Beads offers. You have to sign up for that. You also have to have so many subscribers. I will leave a link down below to their Design Ambassador program. I will also leave a link down below to these products that I'm going to be showing you today. And I'm going to be leaving a link to Jesse James Beads' website. So, let's jump right in and let's see what we have. The first thing that I received this month from Jesse James Beads is the Fire Whirl bead strand, and this is their Pantone strand in Fire Whirl. And so it's just really gorgeous. I love this component right here. That would be like an awesome earring just by itself with those rondelles, and these right here are so pretty. You have a daisy spacer, you have this metal bead, another spacer, it's like a chip spacer, a teardrop. This is like this red is kind of like a scarlet red. It's not like a real true color red. But yeah, you also have this bead right here is a boho bead and some bead caps and a beautiful chunky crystal. I love their crystals. We also have an elephant. It's very cute. Some more spacers. And another one of these crystals, another boho bead, daisy spacer, another teardrop, another chip, it looks like a potato chip, a metal spacer, and another one of these components right here on the end. I love this component on the end. I'm just fascinated with it. I can't wait to take it apart and use this. So that's our first thing. And you can purchase this, you can purchase all of these items on Jesse James Beads website, and like I said, I will leave a link down below to everything. The next thing we have is an antique brass intertwined chevron metal chain, and this is real chunky. Like, this is substantial. It's real neat. I don't know how I'm going to use this, but it's real cool. So we have this chain. And this is what the links look like on the end, right here. And here's the other end, unfinished. So this is real neat. I don't have anything like this in my stash. So interesting. The next thing we have is a blue aqua oval Czech beads in 12 by 9 millimeter. So this is what they look like. I'm not going to take them all out, but I am going to show you. They're just some Czech glass beads in this beautiful aqua blue color. It's very neat. Next is a rainbow polymer pendant. And I believe this is one of their new pendants they have on their website. These just came out a few weeks ago, and they have some other pendants as well. I do think that these two look good together, so we'll probably be making a necklace out of these two. It's very pretty together. And the next thing, this is a bonus this month they sent, and it is Dress It Up micro hearts in seafoam. Are these not the cutest little heart beads? Or these are buttons, but they are so cute. Just love that. So this is what I received from Jesse James Beads this month. I will be doing some tutorials with these products. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to all the products, and you can go check out their website. They have many other things on their website. Jesse James Beads is just an awesome website and awesome people. They have great customer service and everything. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please hit that notification bell for more videos like this. Please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. And I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle, and you are born to shine. I will see y'all next time. Bye, y'all.